Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and in these times I wanted to get you some beautiful quotes. And on the internet, all this comes with the image of Shri Rabindranath Tagore ji. So the first quote says, "It's talk about bravery. Let us not pray to be sheltered from dangers, but we must be fearless when facing them." So it's about understanding the perspective of life, that there will be difficulties, but you need courage to face them. This is the first saying which I picked for all of you. The second saying talks about the boundaries in the world. Every intelligent brain will be in conflict with another intelligent brain. The difference of opinion, the differences must exist, but we must learn to coexist with it. So, we must all unite with non-uniform mindset, but respectful towards each other's opinion. Isn't it beautiful? When I see 6 at my end, it looks 9 at yours. So this talks about boundaries, but respectful boundaries. Unity much above uniformity. The third saying talks about the freedom of mind. If you're driving a vehicle on a road, you will never go in the wrong direction because you will have a fear of an accident. But just compare it to the flow of a river through the mountain or the flight of a bird in the sky. And that is what the power of the human mind is. The sky is not the limit. So do not create boundaries. Be free, limitless, is the third saying. The fourth saying talks about self-realization. You travel throughout the world to understand different people, different mindset, different countries. But you know what is the most difficult journey? The most difficult journey is to learn to look in the mirror and to understand as a human being what you are. And when you do that, you have traveled the farthest in the shortest distance. I think this one is one of my favorites. But the favorite is yet to come. The next saying says, if you are worried about the sunset and you are worried about the light of the sun gone from the sky, how will you develop the power to see the stars? And this is something which is so important. The sun never sets. You must learn to go on. This is extremely, extremely crucial. The next saying says, the power of education, in fact, the level of education. The highest education is the one that is not only providing us information, but teaches us how to live in harmony with all other existences in the universe. It's like a drop in the ocean to tell you the significance, how small you are. I told you my favorite is going to come. This takes my heart, this melts my heart. The one who plants trees, knowing that he will not be able to sit under the shade, has started to understand the real meaning of life. I can give you so many examples of people who have tried to build up things which they themselves could not enjoy, serve, relish, but left it for the society. And these are the people who are remembered in this world forever. They walk to heaven and they are called as the martyrs, they never die. So, the next talk talks about the line, the learning never ends. And it means that a teacher has to be a student to teach. And he has to continue learning. A lamp has to burn to enlighten the room. And if a teacher is not abreasting his knowledge, he is going to overburden his students and will not be taking progress ahead. So, keep learning every day so you live, and you live in the hearts of your students. We started with the courage. You can't learn swimming by reading a book on how to swim. You can't cross the sea till the time you jump into it and you learn to handle the storms. You have to learn to face it. The last, amongst the so beautiful lines, talks about faith. It says that when the dawn is about to come, there is a dawn of darkness. In that dawn of darkness, there will be a bird of faith singing. We have to learn to listen to it. Many a times, in the tough times, in the dark times, our well-wishers will come and give us the right approach, acting as the correct fallbacks. If we learn to listen to them and have the courage to progress, the day is not far that we will be able to see the dawn of brightness. It means that it's never ever over. And if you really want to listen to a line that describes Shri Rabindranath Tagore, is the line of the song Tum Eklo Chalo Re, which says that when you're calling for help, when you're trying to awaken people to come and work with you, and if they are not responding, you must not stop and you must keep walking alone. In the other way, मैं यूं ही चला था अकेला, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Thank you very much.